What's going on, Subway surfers? Today we're back on the surface taking a look around the future Mount Dennis Station. Located in Toronto at the end of the future Line 5 Eglinton, this multimodal complex will offer connections between the future light rail, GO trains, Up Express, and TTC buses. We visited the station this past week to check in on the construction and get an understanding of the scope of this project. I'm Zach with Vanish Underground, and let's take a look. Mount Dennis Station is located roughly 10 kilometers northwest of Toronto, in the former town of York. The sprawling complex, located on Eglinton Avenue near Weston Road, will become the western terminus for the Eglinton Crosstown light rail line, running east from the station to Kennedy. 2 platforms will service LRT trains arriving into the station, with future provisions for an extension of the line further west to Redforth and Pearson Airport. On the surface, a new bus terminal connected to the light rail platforms through an underground walkway will contain 15 bus bays, linking to many nearby TTC bus routes heading to the north and west ends of the city. Retail space will also be provided in the terminal, allowing passengers to shop while they wait for their bus. A passenger pickup and drop-off area will provide convenient access for drivers coming from Black Creek Drive and Highway 400. As well as outdoor and indoor bike parking spots for local commuters arriving by bicycle. A taxi stand will also be provided at the station. On the nearby GO corridor, a new GO station will connect with the LRT, providing connections to both the Kitchener GO train line and the Up Express. With the implementation of the GO expansion program over the coming years, this station will see electrified GO trains running between Union and Bramley every 10 minutes, 7 days per week. Along with Up Express trains running every 15 minutes, this will mean 10 trains per hour running between Mount Dennis and Union, with a predicted travel time of 10 minutes once the corridor is electrified. The station will feature an underground link to the Eglinton Crosstown LRT platform, providing convenient transfers between the 2 systems. The property also contains the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility, which will provide storage and service for the light rail vehicles. Linked to the line by switches just east of the station, the sprawling complex at the north end of the station site will be a fixture for the area, with over 8 kilometers of track constructed for the storage of 76 light rail vehicles. The site is anchored by the former Kodak building, which has been restored for 4 levels of office space, as well as a large auditorium for community use. With the opening of the station, TTC buses in the Mount Dennis area are expected to be shifted to connect with the new terminal. Routes along Eglinton will be adjusted to start and end at the terminal, while local service in the area along Industry Street and Emmett Road will be adjusted. Express buses along Weston and Jane will be changed to feed into the terminal along with their local counterparts, while other local routes along Rogers Road and Symington will be extended from nearby loops to the terminal. Until the future Eglinton West LRT extension opens, Route 32 buses will link to Redforth Station on the Mississauga Transitway, providing an important link between these 2 pieces of rapid transit infrastructure. With construction progressing well, the complex is expected to open in 2022. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the future Mount Dennis Station. Once construction of the station is complete, click the button in the top right corner of your screen for footage from the opening day. Feel free to leave a like and a comment if you want to see more. And as for us here, we'll be vanishing underground until the next one.